Now, to continue this video, how to remove the case of my computer. And then we have the CD rack. This is a half order. Then to simply that. To remove this screw. Now the next, my CD-ROM is hard to remove. Please wait one minute. Now it is done to remove all the CD-ROM in the computer. This is an LG CD-RW. Easy to remove now. Next we have the stage. Then now I will remove the power supply. Easy to remove this figure on the casing. Then I will remove this figure. I will remove this figure. Remove. Then remove the figure. This is an 80x watts. A power supply and extended with the figure. Power supply. This is an 80x. On the casing, have it. A IDE cable is used from hard drive. A floppy cable. This is a short stance. My motherboard is a RAM slot, the SD RAM, EDO RAM, IDE socket 7 installment as done. The video card, insert the PCI slot. A network card, insert the PCI. The audio card was on the ISA bridge. Enjoy to installment a computer.